Today we're gonna go to Five Below Target.
Five Below Target.
Yeah, this is.
So guys, I don't know how to play this game, but first,
Guys, look at the logo. Come out, Mona.
what?
Let's
We're literally at Target.
We're literally in Target that we ever haven't started.
Like
so we
ever.
need to get some boxes. Because I see so many people that.
How do I hide the Yui?
Okay, I got the box.
Done hiding. Now I'm shining. Now I got 50 cash. A free reward is
How
ready.
did you do that, Ante? How did you do that?
I don't know, I got it.
How did you sell your box?
Yeah.
How did you sell
Sell it there. Live large and before it opens down. Go like up in the blue moon. I remember. You can't sell. What?
How do you sell?
You go in the green circle and then you just put it there. And then now you got the green circle. And then now first I need to get to the
Here? Here?
Yeah,
$2. Guys, so this game is kind of fun because
it opens
I
down.
know what guys, I
Who loves cat
Oh
time?
yeah,
Guys, comment down below who loves
I wanted to tell you guys that I want to tell you. Did you know we're getting we're gonna be unboxing some in the next video you can watch our video that we're gonna unbox some what do you call it?
Live large and before it opens down. I don't get it. Some squishies.
No, we're gonna unbox some.
What? Some
Viral mystery. We're gonna open some viral squishies next time and you can go watch the video.
Watch the video in the future. That's one of the spoilers. And
Since we are in Target, guys, we don't see any squishies except we can find some needles.
hey guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Remember my spoiler that I said we're gonna craft soon? Yeah, that was soon.
But we are gonna like get some money first. So this game is about get the box that we select, put that in the green circle.
Guys, next time I'm gonna make a crafting video like what I said in the spoilers. I'll get a crafting video.
And the next video we're gonna wait, I forgot.
Guys, better watch this video. This is gonna be so fun. That's why we make daily videos and also gaming videos. But you guys like gaming videos more, so we do gaming videos. Wait, I'm floating.
What is this?
A green splat. It's a sploot splat.
Did you got the splat?
No, but I got cake.
But I got the splat though.
I'm gonna fish.
I already got the splat. Watch in the next video and we are gonna do jump speeds first.
Ooh, jump.
99 nights.
99 nights. Oh, it's scary, but I'll try.
Scary. Bro, just but Mama, I think so we're gonna do the 99 nights. Please, Ate, can we do the 99 nights, Mama?
You mean later?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
love it. Yeah.
Okay.
The Louis Mono is with the cute.
Ate, we're not even done.
Yeah. Stop.
Ate, how many boxes did you got yet? Are you just fishing around?
Yeah, guys, I have something. But wait, how come I'm getting money?
After easy it just goes to harder.
Wait, guys, let's sing Pinky Up. Sponsored by Cat's Eye, so don't copyright this.
No, you shouldn't. After don't tell that they will copy their song.
We're just singing it. I got 2 cakes. It's so squishy.
What cake? After, why whenever get something?
Hey, yeah, with my new best friend, I wanna
I got this.
trip before it up is down. I don't know, I just bought go hard like Robert the Movie wanna Lisa with the cute attitude, I wanna get high right before we're in the ground. Ooh, screaming profile night. What? No one could touch us.
Why we never get this one? I can't get it. I don't see it. And when
May I spin the like wheel?
but I want a dumpling. Where wheel? Where's the wheel? Where's the wheel? Then where's the wheel? I just want this dumpling.
May look what I got. I got it.
Why did you do that?
Oh, it's so squishy.
Look what did I got.
It before it up is down.
Flat. I got a piece.
Let's trade. Let me trade with you. Wait, let's trade with my baby boo. Let's see what I'm gonna trade this.
I'm gonna
Two of
take
them.
this flat.
Accept.
Accept.
Yeah, you're already
This
accepted.
is kind of fun, right?
Yeah.
Ate.
Yes. Wait, where is it? Hey, yeah, with my new best friends, I wanna sploot splat. Yes.
Thank you, Ate.
Thanks as well.
Ate, let's count. I'm just kidding.
Oh, guys.
Help me, Ate. I can't get it.
New best friends, I wanna. Guys, I'm gonna sing Nardi.
Thank you for the donut, Squishy, Ate.
Welcome. But I'm gonna, guys, sing something. I'm gonna sing Picky Up. It goes like this. Pinky up.
Ate, this game is kind of fun.
Yeah.
Why do I
Pinky
see
up.
a big...
Pinky up. Put this pinky up. One day, what's gonna end in there?
Stop it! Look what you see, go!
Where? Oh my God, I got it as well. Over here. Make out with my new bestest friends. I wanna lay large and before it all burns down.
First, let me sell the box.
Pinky go like Robert the Louie Mona. Lisa with the cute attitude. I wanna get her right before we the crowd.
I'm selling some noodles.
Ooh, screaming profile light.
Ate.
You're selling needles as me. No one could touch your little but it just stayed up by. Bet it goes like this. Pinky up, pinky up, pinky up, pinky up, us against the world, shaking, freak in the parking lot. If we get arrested, haha, baby laugh. I love you, you love me, you manic, we, okay.
I want to say
kill him for you. They got that tea. And this frequency amount of delusion.
What do you want to trade
No, nothing, just a Socrates. The only true was dumbest in you, you know nothing. Ooh, screaming crocodile. No one can touch us if they try.
Baka day here.
But it goes like this. Okay guys, sorry I can't continue the song because it might be too long and I might get a copyright. But I just want to sing for Cat's Eye. So like, okay, just kidding.
Oh my god, I got some wings.
Guys, I think this is the end of the video. No.
Not yet.
As long as the world shaking.
Until it ends, okay, Ate?
But when it ends, we haven't even said bye-bye.
No, until it ends, we'll say bye.
Pinky,
When it's about to end.
Pinky, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, Pinky. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna just get some Neos.
I'm gonna get a box.
Hey, get a woman.
I'm getting a box.
Dumpling. Oh god. I want a dumpling.
Dumpling?
Yeah. As long as the world shaking
I
shake.
wanna trade you with a dumpling.
I'll get you first. First, I need to get their stuff. Make out women, you as fast I wanna. Girl, I'm so obsessed with this song. Pinky Up. Guys, if you don't know Pinky Up by Cat's Eye, but if you're an icon or not, listen to Pinky Up. It's so fire. I'm literally obsessed. Right?
Ate, can you please fix them? They will hear you.